let's delve deeper into the IHSG performance. We are now joined by Astronacci founder and CEO Gemma Goyardi. Gemma, please. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Nice to
it's
meet
good
you.
to have you back in the studio.
Yeah.
So, Gemma, what can we see as now JCI is valid make bottom on 18 November 2024, Sunshine Neptune.
Correct.
So what can you say about this?
So initially in C today, we're talking about 18 to 19 as the peak date. But there's an inversion of the cycle. The date is remain there. It's like 18 to 19 will create a turning point or reversal. But instead of the peak, now it's become the bottom reversal. But still, it's 18 to 19 November. The Sun Neptune trine create a turning point. So last week I predicted this could be the peak, but inversion of the cycle make that as a bottom reversal. But that doesn't matter. Now, if you can see the 18 to 19 reverse the JCI, it means the downside movement, the short-term one, now is stopped, now is doing a rebound. Then we're looking at the next peak target, of course, right? The time resistance will be predicted around 22nd of November.
22nd of November,
yes, exactly.
Which is pretty much this week.
Yeah, this week. 2 and 3 days from now, right? And then the expected target price for the whole cycle, if you see this, the rebound in this part, we also want to see it here. Then we're looking at 7,618 for the next upside target. So it could be like this, going up, and then the 20 seconds going down a bit, and then going up again. So in the next slide, I'll show you the better picture of what is the possible outcome of the JCI.
No, I can't wait for that. How about this?
Well, now, this is the bottom of 18, going up to the 20 seconds, going down again, and up again, and then we're looking at 7618. And then the whole pattern in this area, we possibly will see inversion of head and shoulder. And hopefully, by the end of this cycle, the whole downside movement from here is completed.
Okay, so for the next one, we are seeing the IDX Techno breaking their resistance.
Correct.
Continuing moving in bullish trend.
So this one, we're looking at a higher trough, okay, which is this trough. Now, compare with this trough. So it means the bullish trend is developing in this sector. Definitely we want to see the techno stocks in Indonesia, okay? By breaking this resistance, we're looking at the new target price of this sector about 4,424.
So that's from techno?
Exactly.
Okay.
Now, we're looking at what kind of stocks that we're gonna aim, right? Goto is very, very famous stocks, and you know, it's go down to 50, and then now we're looking at Goto trading at 82. The question is, with the AI development, this will be a game changer for Goto. I believe that will make the stocks back to at least 200 rupiah, because this whole consolidation, if this break and a huge volume come and the AI business goes well, then it's going to continue like that.
Well, that will be a big leap.
Exactly. Yeah, it's a big leap, because when they come to large language model, that's the first open source AI for Indonesia. That's a huge game changer if they can maintain that and manage that well, the business, and people are going to subscribe. And that will be the new revenue stream for Goto.
Okay, is there any forecast on when to buy Goto?
Now, we're looking at the new break here, right? I mean, like tomorrow, as a trader, you can start buying. Now, as long as the prices not go down below 61, we can keep it. But if there's a false break and the price is going sideways and break 61, then let's go out. We will take the stop loss on this, right? But the final target, at least, if we can look at 200, that's possibly can happen.
But also there is actually a new interest on this particular thing, because inauguration of Telkom's group ESG brand.
Correct.
Go Zero.
Yes.
So what can you say about Go Zero?
The Go Zero, that's one thing, but the other thing is they have a plan to build more data center. And then there will be another revenue stream from that data center management, and then they're gonna run the data center, which is like 70% occupancy for that data center, will give Telkom a beneficiary, and then we're looking at 3,200 for the new target price of Telkom. So the whole downside period of Telkom probably gonna end the first quarter 2025, which is the price gonna go up like this and continue, and we're looking at 21st November for the next resistance. If you already buy at the bottom, so you can take profit on 21st December.
Yeah.
Wait until it's drop again and another buy on weakness for telecom. But in the next 3 months, okay, as long as the price is not declines below 2,500, we can expect 3,200 as a target price.
But one more thing to pay attention to, we see that this particular thing,
Tesla,
it has been quite controversial.
I keep recommend this stock.
Exactly,
right?
because Donald Trump's transition teams aims to accelerate
Yep.
the approval of a federal framework for self-driving vehicles.
Exactly, and then this is the future life. Like people are gonna change to the electric car, right? And then, you know, the owner of Tesla as well, Elon, got a very strategic position in the
Yes.
Trump government. So 420 will be the shortest target price for this, but I'm looking for the huge bullish trend for Tesla in the long run. So last week, this hasn't been formed. Now, the new correction, this is a buy on weakness, okay? And then we're looking at 420 probably, but like 3 to 4 weeks, you know, maximum.
Maximum?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think that would be one quite info for all of you, waiting on the updates. But thank you so much, Gama,
Thank you.
for being here. And also, it's always a pleasure to see you.
Thank you, guys.
All right, let's take a break. See Today Business. We'll be back with more news. Stay tuned.